Hello Rainbow Trail friends, how are you? Welcome back Face Paint Life friends. It's really good to be back. I've been away for a couple of months due to matters of the heart, and I'm here, I'm back, and I've made my rainbow window for the Facebook group. What do you reckon? Can you spot the bear? That's me! My name is Bear, and if you have no idea what I'm talking about, there's a fantastic group on Facebook called Rainbow Trail Australia, and it's where we all art rainbows everywhere to make lots of colour, share the colour love, and spread some joy for everyone. And I believe there's one for the UK and the US of A as well. So I really want to show you this in here, which is our Rainbow Theatre. We got some pretty special boots in there at the moment, but on Saturday night at 6 PM we're going to put on a little show. So if you head over to Face Paint Life on Facebook or YouTube, and you can check out what we've been up to, and on Saturday night at 6 PM we'll put on the show. Now if you want to hang around now, I'm going to actually show you how I did the window paint, the materials I used, and how long it took and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, hope everybody's happy, safe, well, and looking after everyone. Lots of love, guys. Bye. Okay, so if you're interested in window painting, I've actually never done it before. This was my first attempt. I have watched a few YouTube videos of Scott Campbell's, and I'll put the link below so you can check his out if you're really interested in it. So this, I did a white base, and it's house paint. I laid down white. I tried using a sponge, didn't like it, and then I went to a paintbrush, but my paintbrushes weren't very good. You can see lots of streaks, but hey, that's fine. I think when it comes to doing window painting, you really want to have a big effect, so you're not going to be looking too closely at the details, whereas if we take a shot of it from back over at the road, it really pops. And it pops because there's white going all the way around it, and a black outline as well. So I had a lot of fun, and here it is. Yeah. So I'm a face painter, and this was my inspo. I wanted to create the 3D effect. This is my paints I use, some indoor house paint, some acrylic paint from the op shop, a rag, scraper, sponges, brushes, and off I go. First attempt at trying to paint a cloud on a window. It was a bit rectangular. The biggest problem I had was painting that arch up the top. I tried to follow through with the window and it really didn't work. So next time I think I'll try just not worrying about the shape of the window and just going for it. I have a lot of issues with perfection, which means I generally don't do anything. So I'm trying to break through that and just paint and go, that's fine, it doesn't need to be perfect. You can see the red there, that really annoys me, but like I said, moving on. Now I managed to delete and format my discs, so didn't get to see all of the other colours get painted. But yeah, look, it was pretty simple in the end. Just making sure that you have the white base was really good so that the acrylic paint pops. And there you can see the finished rainbow. Woohoo! Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the paint off the window. Okay, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to take this off the window so we don't all freak out because it doesn't come off. So I've got a wet rag and a scraper, and if it was a larger area I would have a bucket of water, and we just need to wet it down, make it nice and wet. How easy was that? you actually eating?